Here we're going to talk about how to enter your answers into the Excel file for the Chapter 2 problems. So in the Excel file, you're going to do Chapter 2.1 problems. So right there, Chapter 2.1 problems. And notice that you're not given any numbers here. You're only given variables. So what the textbook wants you to do is to solve these equations for a particular variable. But for the Excel file, you can't, you can only enter numerical answers. So what you'll do is, for example, let's say we're going to do number 4. So in the textbook, you're going to find number 4 for problems 2.1. So there it is, number 4. And what you'll do is on a separate sheet of paper, you're going to solve this equation for the variable a. And then once you solve that, then you're going to go to the Excel file and you're going to enter these two values for f and m. So you're going to replace f with 60 and you're going to replace m with 5. And once you solve the equation and then plugged in those values for f and m, then the numerical answer, that's what you're going to enter here in number 4. So whatever numerical answer you have, then you'll just enter that there. And again, you'll have unlimited tries until you get the right answer. So this is just going to be for Chapter 2 that you have to do this, is that you're going to look at the textbook, solve for variables, and before you plug it into the Excel file, you'll have to plug in these corresponding values for the variables.